Hi ma'am, welcome back for the part 2 session. Liposuction பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் ஸ்கார் வந்து சின்னதா இருக்கும்னு தெரியும். But how about tummy tuck ma'am?
Tummy tuck பாத்தீங்கன்னா we have to cut the extra skin and then we have to give a shape, an hourglass shape to the tummy. You would have seen a C-section scar நீங்க பாத்தீங்க எப்படி இருக்கும்? It will be this big in the lowermost part of the bikini line. அங்கே தான் when the skin is hanging, fold அங்கே தான் வரும். So it will be a slightly longer scar in the same line and it will be hidden in the bikini line.
அப்போ இந்த சர்ஜரிஸ்க்கு அப்புறம் என்னோட ஃபேட் வந்து grow ஆகுமா?
Yeah, this is also very very common question. Fat வந்து they are live cells. Suppose உங்களுக்கு ஒரு palm size ஏரியால 100 fat cells இருக்குன்னா with liposuction I am taking out 40 to 50% of fat cells because some fat is needed also. That 40 to 50% fat cells are reduced, so the capacity or capability of those fat cells to store fat is 50% less, correct? So that area is not able to store that much of fat, but whatever you are putting in the body, it's going in the body only, no? It's your bank account is there. You keep on putting money, it will grow only, unless until you are keeping the calorie and you are also wasting the calorie. So நீங்க exercise பண்ணுவீங்கன்னா you are utilizing that much of calorie, அப்போ உங்களுக்கு weight ஜாஸ்தி, fat எல்லாமே ஜாஸ்தி வராது, but that area will not get fat. Other parts of the body will still have the same amount.
ஸோ இந்த ட்ரீட்மெண்ட்லாம் முடிஞ்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் எத்தனை நாள் நான் வந்து ரெஸ்ட் எடுக்கணும்?
So liposuction is not a surgery where you have to be in the bed rest. Actually both surgeries are not where you need bed rest. I usually make my patients walk on the first day itself. Liposuction பண்ணும்போது obviously the cut is very less, so the recovery is slightly faster and slightly better. However, tummy tuck has stitches, so the stitches takes time to heal. So we give a garment for the patient. 2 to 3 months they can't sit the folded leg on the floor. They can't do core exercises. So 2 to 3 months in the Murray they have to take the precautions. While after liposuction within 1 month they can go back to normal lifestyle and do all the exercises, gym and everything. After tummy tuck they have to wait for at least 2 to 3 months. Also in tummy tuck sometimes நமக்கு இங்க muscle separation இருக்கும். After 2 to 3 childbirths diastasis recti சொல்வோம். இந்த 6 packs இருக்குல்ல, so they will separate from the center. So we also correct that. Sometimes there is a hernia from the umbilicus, we also correct that. So when we do a lot of things, then the recovery period is slightly longer.
So it differs la ma'am?
Yes, it differs.
Okay ma'am, thank you so much ma'am.